Hi lovelies, so happy to have you here today, and today we are gonna be lettering Enjoy Your Sunday so you love your Mondays. For the materials I am using Ecolines brush pens, watercolors, and a black brush pen, pentel, and marker paper. Are we ready? Then let's do this. Enjoy the process. As you can see, I am using two different styles of lettering. One is the bouncing one, the color one, Sunday and Monday, and the others are more normal handwriting. I am trying to use some embellishments, and I try to do a banner. I am not that good at that, but I am practicing and enjoying it. And now it's ready, done. I like so much these small little lines. They look like cactuses, don't you think? Let me know in the comments if you like it, and if you do this with me or by yourself, please share it with me, tagging me in Instagram. I would love to see what you create. Thank you. Sayonara.